make sure no peanut oil. It's very important. How long will the delivery take?
Well, I'm on break now. I don't know, but I've been feeling a bit weird.
Did you know that in the United States alone, an estimated 400,000 children go missing every year? Among them, autistic children who elope are at a higher risk of danger.
I was distracted for a second and he was gone. I'm so sorry.
Every year, countless individuals face life-threatening situations while home alone. Seizures and severe allergies are among the many perils that may arise. Giving medical professionals fast access to critical care information means quicker decisions, better treatment, and peace of mind when every second counts. Blackbird's smart wristband and the mobile app empowers vulnerable travelers to move freely, stay safe, and feel supported wherever they go.
Dad, I'm worried. I'm on my way there now. Voicemail box.
Every year, thousands of elderly individuals with dementia and disabilities go missing. In the United States alone, over 100,000 cases are reported annually.
You okay, sir? Great. You have one.
Introducing the Blackbird Smart Wristband.
What's your emergency?
A lady just fainted. She seemed to have suffered a seizure. The police are here. I have her emergency contact numbers. I'll call them and let them know.
Our smart wristband will soon be placed in travel systems. Blackbird Smart Innovations makes travel safe with low-risk exposure.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, you got the results back. She'll be okay. That device saved her life.
Don't let your loved ones become a statistic. Take necessary precautions to ensure their safety and well-being.
Yes, sir. He's okay. I'll take him to the nearest police station.
Oh, thank you. Thank goodness. I was so worried.
It is our mission to save lives, one wrist at a time. Visit blackbirdtech.app.